Bitcoin ETF all about? In this video, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin ETF so you can understand what Bitcoin ETF is all about. First of all, what's an ETF? An ETF means exchange traded fund. ETF is an investment fund that tracks the performance of the underlying assets. For example, Bitcoin. ETF can simply be a stock, a basket of cryptocurrencies, or a gold. A Bitcoin ETF allows investors to gain exposure to the price of Bitcoin without the complication and risk of owning a Bitcoin directly. For you to understand Bitcoin ETF even more, you need to understand that Bitcoin is not regulated, while Bitcoin ETF is regulated. With Bitcoin, you need a crypto wallet, but with ETF, you don't need to own a crypto wallet. It means retirement planners can now include it in their employer-sponsored 401k plans. It's much easier to own Bitcoin as you don't have to rely on vulnerable piece of hardware for storage. This means you don't need to understand the difference between alt and cold wallets, which store digital coins. Instead, you just buy an ETF from one of the many regulated asset managers that's set to go live with their own ETFs. The value of Bitcoin ETF shares reflects the performance of Bitcoin. As the price of Bitcoin moves, the value of Bitcoin ETF shares adjust accordingly. So when investing in Bitcoin ETF, you are essentially buying shares in a pool of Bitcoin. The process involves creation of a new ETF shares to match the demand. Right, so there you have it. I think you understand what the Bitcoin ETF is all about now. So make sure you smash that red subscribe button and also don't forget to leave a like.